Welcome back to the channel, guys. Hoagie1685 here again, Project Prowler. We had a bunch of rain here on the weekend, and I poked my head in the trailer, and this is what I saw. Yeah. There's some water on the mattress. Right on. And you can see up in the ceiling here, look at the light, we got water sitting in the light here. And I don't know if the camera's gonna pick it up, but this is just saggy. And that's all full of water. So today, on today's video, we are gonna rip apart the front end here. And we're gonna expose what's going on underneath the roof here. And basically we're going to rip all this stuff out. I'm sure there's probably some mold in here, so I'll be wearing a dust mask at least. I know I should have a respirator, but I don't have one of those. But that's today's project. We're going to rip this front end apart. Here we go. Little storage underneath the bed here. It's on shocks, so that's pretty cool. Lifts up, so we'll clean all that out, and then we'll get a knife and we'll cut this, and we'll see all the grossness that comes out. Okay, guys, I hope I'm getting a shot here. I got the camera all set up, so we're gonna cut old saggy Elsie here and see what comes out. There goes nothing. This is gonna be gross. There you go. There's the water. Look at it just pouring out, guys. That is gross. Look at that. Just full. Yeah, you're gonna be draining for a while. Okay, we're all suited up. Here we go. We're gonna rip her apart. So this is what we got so far, guys. Starting to smell pretty good in here now. A lot of the damage was over here and across here. You can see this roof support here. It's quite wet. Up in here is pretty good, and you know, obviously must be along this where the edge of the rubber roof is here and along the front. Seems to be the most problem. Here's not bad. It just carried over because it comes and lays in there, right? So we'll get the rest of this ripped out, And yeah, but that's what she looks like so far, guys. Okay guys, I had to take a little bit of a break from working on the inside. I got a fan rolling now, trying to dry some of this stuff out. This is as far as I got so far. I got into the closet, a lot of wet material in there, up in the roof here. And you know, eventually I'm gonna rip everything out, because you know, you can't just do that and that's it. You gotta do everything. So this is all gonna come out. So yeah, this is where a lot of the water was, here and across here and this side here. So like I said, everything is gonna come out in due time. But this is as far as we got today. I got looking at the weather, guys, and it's seen some rain coming tomorrow, so I thought I'd better get up on the roof of the trailer here and look at this front end here. And I peeled a little bit of sealant away from here, and that looks like where water could have gotten in, especially right here in the trailer. And I got my best friend here. If you own a trailer, you got some of it oozing out now, you're gonna want this Dicor RV Roof Expert lap sealant, self-leveling. That's gonna be your best friend. This stuff is very well regarded, and this is the stuff to use. So I can't really, it's hard to see, but I think some of that's the problem area there. It looks kind of cracked, but it doesn't look too bad. I'm gonna wash this whole roof and with special rubber roof cleaner, and put a sealant on it, a special conditioner. And yeah, but for now it's gonna rain tomorrow, so we're gonna get up here and slather some caulking on some areas that I think might be the culprit. Okay guys, I got around to the other side of the trailer here, and I noticed on the roof here, when I got on the roof, when I pushed down with just my hand, the old caulking running along this seam has started to, you know, deteriorate, separate, whatever. I don't know the last time it was sealed like previously. So I think right in this area was the problem. And you know, I just put some Dicor on there for now because it's going to rain tomorrow, but I'm going to eventually peel this whole line of old caulking all off, clean it all, prep it all, and I might see if I can get like a rubber roof patch and run that all the way along the seam, and with some Dicor, and that'll seal that out. I mean, we're doing all this work on the inside. You're not doing that for nothing. You got to make sure the outside's good here too. So I mean, it kind of looks like crap right now, but that sealed that up, and there should be no water for now in the trailer. And I'll come back up here, and like I said, we'll redo that all. Got to make it right. So that's it for today, guys. So far on Project Prowler, I got stuff to do. I'm always busy, so yeah, you got to see what was going on. We're ripping it apart, and we'll continue to film it as we work on it. And that's all we got for now for today. So make sure you like and subscribe, and make sure you comment. I want to hear your comments, see what you think. Maybe you got some tips or pointers. Like I said, I'm no expert. I'm just some guy trying to fix a trailer. So thanks a lot.